Prepare to be mesmerized in the enchanting realm of Visayan art as it unfurls its vibrant tapestry once again at the much-anticipated TUBO Cebu Art Fair 2023, which kicked off yesterday, September 15 until Sunday, September 17, 2023 at Ayala Center, Cebu. The event features the artistic brilliance of over 500 talented regional artists and showcases a diverse collection of more than 600 one-of-a-kind artworks. They also held a book launch entitled Just a Lawyer Drawing Sports Icons by attorney Jovi Neri, who uses creativity to embellish his illustrations with meaningful stories, guiding readers through a journey in the world of sports legends. The exhibition is made even more special by a thoughtful introduction written by Paeng Nepomuceno, a six-time world champion in a world of bowling.
Excellent book. And this book, actually, he told me he made it for his son so that someday he has something to be proud of his dad. But for me, what this book means is that all of you here, all of you who gets a copy or even see his book will be inspired with the athletes that he drew.
Well, my book is just 1 out of 100. There's a lot of great art here. I even don't know whether I should be inspired or insecure. There's so much great art here and all sizes, all prices. So please come visit the TUBO Art Fair. And
different styles of paintings were also showcased by a group of artists from Bohol.
Cubism and realism. So
How many artworks are you displaying
I have doing 13 artworks.
13 artworks niya. Pila ka buo ko answer? Artist ani?
Sa kami karon mga 10 me sa aning grupa from Bohol.
Grupo ninyo?
Biscay Art Group from Bohol.
Cebu City Vice Mayor Alvin Garcia, together with his family, were among the excited art enthusiasts who graced the event's opening.
Ever since nga nibalik na ang economy has opened up, if there is a revenge travel, now it will be a revenge art. And kita sa Cebu City government, we have been promoting culture, heritage, and also of course art. So we are very supportive of this project. In fact, TUBO Art Fair ni TUBO Jud, no? And this is partially sponsored by the city government of Cebu, this particular art fair. So malipayon kaayo ta to support also our local artists.
Immerse yourselves fully in Visayas region's rich diversity and allows its striking contrast to encourage personal development and contemplation by joining TUBO Cebu Art Fair 2023.
We would like to invite all Cebuanos to come check out our fair, which we prepared for you. There's over close to 600 artists that have participated from around the region, mostly from Cebu, but we have artists from Bacolod, Iloilo, Davao, Dumaguete, Bohol, Tacloban, from everywhere basically that have come here to join us and to show off their art. So we would like you to come and acquire and not just admire, support local artists, support the local art community.
This has been Mary Francis Lean Kaayan, My TV, Cebu.